Morning children, the grade 11 student, go through your textbooks, page number 48, lesson 5. The topic is best use of time. Now I am going to explain the lesson. Now you can see there are pictures regarding time, sayings. Please read it, go through this. First one, can you all see? Turn this. Activity 1, speaking, testing your speaking, improving your speaking. Read the following sayings. Read the following sayings. First one. Remember that time is money. Remember that time is money. The first picture. Likewise, go through those. Time stop for no one. Time stop for no one. Number 2. Picture number 3. Time is what we want most, but what we use worst. Read again. Time is what we want most, but what we use worst. Williams. I can't read this. It's too small, these letters. Go through this. Number 4. Picture number 4. One always has time enough if one will apply it well. One always has time enough if one will apply it well. Next one, number 5. A man who dares to waste 1 hour of time has not discovered the value of life. A man who dares to waste 1 hour of time has not discovered the value of life. Charles Darwin. A. Do you agree with these sayings? You have to answer. Discuss with your partner and find the message conveyed by them. Right? And go to the activity 2. They act out this. There are 2 people. They are Rajan and Samit. The conversation between these 2 students. Hey Samit, where are you going in such a hurry? Samit. Okay. Yes, you can see the dialogue. Right? Where are in such a hurry? Then Samit answers. Samit says, we are late for cricket practices. If we hurry up, we can be there on time. Hassan, take it easy. We are also going too. Hassan says again, take it easy. We are also going there. Rajan says, can't you remember the cricket scholarship? Oh no, I completely forgot that. But not to worry, we'll be late only by a few minutes. Samit, but it will matter. Remember that the early bird catches the worm. Rajan, alright, carry on. You can be the early bird. We will come slowly. Hassan, yes, we'll see you there. Samit, bye, see you. Works in groups and discuss the advantages of work. Activity 4. Samit, yes, that is listening texting, so can't do that. And go to the, leave it. And go to the activity 5. Please leave the activity 4 because this is a listening activity. So you can't do that. Go to the activity 5. Hassan and Rajan came late. They were looking for the Samit. They saw some other friends writing something. Complete their conversation using the phrases given. Read the instructions thoroughly and Complete this blank. Hassan, hey Krishan, have you seen Samit? Then you have to complete Krishan's part. Rajan, what is he doing there? Sadesh, you complete that. Hassan, oh, what are you doing? Krishan, so you have to complete that. An application form, what is it for? Then Hassan, where can we also get one? Rajan, I hope we are not late. Right? The answer, you can see the answers are given below. Right? Yes, or the phrases are given below. The first one means the order of the sentence. We are filling in application form from the representative. He must be in pavilion. It's for a cricket scholarship to Australia. He is speaking to the representative from the Minister of Education. So, get those phrases, the correct phrases to the relevant blanks. You have to complete that using these given phrases and complete the blanks. Right. And go to the read aloud this time. When Hassan and Rajan met Master in charge, he showed them the following poem which was pasted on the wall of the staff room. Time. It's a poem. To realize the value of 1 year, ask a student who has failed a final exam. To realize the value of 1 month, ask a mother who has given birth to a premature baby. To realize the value of 1 week, ask an editor of the weekly newspaper. To realize the value of 1 hour, ask a driver who drives with the oxygen cylinder. To realize the value of 1 minute, ask the person who has missed a train, bus or plane. To realize the value of 1 second, ask a person who has survived an accident. To realize the value of 1 millisecond, ask the person who has won a silver medal in the Olympics. Time waits for no one. Treasure every moment you have. You will treasure it even more when you can share it with someone special. The author is unknown. So it is very important topic, the time. Because of this current situation, the time is very valuable for this. So you can understand this is very easy poem. And go to the activity 6, writing. Complete the table following the example given. Time lost. The table, there are 2 sections. The time lost, 1 year, the 1 week, 1 month, like that. And who would know the value of it? Example given, 1 year. A student who has failed the final exam. Go through the this poem and complete this table. What is the message given in the poems? That is free writing. Please write your answer. Write your answer here. That is free writing. You can write using your own ideas about the value of time. Right? Okay, we will stop.